Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AirDNA for Airbnb. So basically, let's say if you were researching on Denver Heights, right, the submarket, or maybe San Antonio overall, which is a market, or maybe a specific address. So you plug in any of that right here, and you can search for data on that location and see how it's performing. Maybe you want to buy a property in that area. You can see whether or not that market is performing well. As you can see, Denver Heights has a submarket score of 100. It is performing really well, and this score is based on 5 metrics right here: investability, rental demand, revenue growth, seasonality, and regulation. For example, revenue growth is where, the rental listings in this location are earning more in this month than they were in the last month. Seasonality is basically when, the listings easily get people to rent them out, and it's not very seasonal, and that throughout the year people are trying to rent that location, right? It doesn't fluctuate based on specific months. It is quite stable. As you can see, the occupancy rate here is 61%, which is pretty decent. It has grown by over 13%. The length of stay, almost 3 days. Booking lead time, 20 days. How many days in advance basically people are booking. And if you scroll down here, you'll see a bunch of different graphs, charts to see whether it's actually worth investing in this area. And if you already had a property, this is what you do. If I come all the way up here, you can see the average daily rate is around $162. And if I click on the STR listings right here, you can easily find out how much you're supposed to charge in an area. So for example, let's say your property was located around this area right here. So you come and choose one property which is in this area, which is a similar size to yours. For example, let's say this one. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, okay? It makes about $33,600, 72% occupancy, has about 55 reviews, so it has been there for a while, 4.6 rating, and $186 average daily rate. So that is how much you could be charging. As you can see, there's another property right here, $225 daily rate. So now you know how much you should probably be charging in this area for something similar, right? This one seems to be a newer property. That's why the daily rate is a bit on the lower end, right? And that is how, guys, you can use AirDNA for Airbnb.